So what are you getting in this course exactly? We're going to give you the simplified package on how you can master and sustain fat loss. As we'll discuss later in this course, the reason why most popular flashy exercise and diet programs that you see in commercials and infomercials end up failing and not being sustainable is that because they overcomplicate the process. And what we're going to take in this course is make sure that you minimize the amount of time that you're spending on exercise, healthy eating, and meal prep so that you can focus on maximizing your results and enjoying the other things in life outside of health and exercise, like your hobbies, like your career, like your family, your friends, whatever you may be working on right now. So keep in mind that this is a lifestyle change course for fat loss and weight loss. What we're going to be giving you is a super easy to follow home workout program that only requires you to work out for about an hour per week. Most of those popular fitness programs will ask you to change your life to work out 6 to 7 hours per week and buy a ton of expensive home workout equipment or get a pricey gym membership so that you can work out. We're going to take all of that off the table. You're going to have a simple home workout program that you can follow from home, or in case you're traveling because you're busy with work or you travel for work, you'll be able to work out absolutely anywhere. We're going to teach you exactly how to eat and how to manipulate your body's energy systems to get the most out of your lean muscle tissue gains and your fat loss during and for 30 hours or more after you're done working out so that you can increase your resting metabolism. So stick around. I'm so excited to have you in this course, and I can't wait to get you started on this program.